Hello, very good evening, and let me show you Windows shortcuts. Some 20 amazing Windows shortcuts that you might not be aware of and you have not been using. Use these shortcuts to make your life a lot easy when using Windows operating system. Now, in Windows 11, there are some amazing cool shortcuts that will make your life a lot easier, and I'm here to tell you about those shortcuts very quickly and very easily. So watch this video till the end and learn about all these amazing shortcuts. Let's begin. So the first key is known as Windows A key. So as soon as you press Windows A, the action center opens up. So here's the action center, Windows A again, and the action bar or the notification bar opens up, and you have a very nice notification very easily and quickly rather than going on and clicking here. Then you press Windows S key, then Cortana search bar pops up. Windows S or Windows Q, both the shortcuts do the same thing. So if you press Windows Q, same Cortana shortcut key pops up. You can use it, very nice and very cool feature. Then we have something called Windows C. As soon as you press Windows C, the chat window from Microsoft Teams pop up and you can use it for your chat purpose. Okay, then moving on, Windows E key will open up your Explorer. So if you have been using Windows Explorer, this is how you open up. Simply press Windows E key and your Explorer will pop up and you can use it on that. Then coming on to the next key, we have something called Windows F key. As soon as you press Windows F key, the feedback hub pops up and you can use to provide a feedback on it. Then you can use Windows Control F key to pop up find a computer on a network. So if you are on a network and you quite commonly use it, you can use this key. Since I'm not on it, it's not giving me anything. You can use Windows G key for a game bar. Now this is something that amazing where you can do lots of things with your game bar. If you're into Xbox gaming, you can even record your screens and capture a screen from this game bar as well. Use just Windows G key to do that. Then Windows H key. As soon as you press Windows H key, the listening mode pops up, and what you can do is you can do speech to text. So whatever you are saying basically gets typed anywhere you want, either notepad, browser, anywhere you want. Just press Windows H key and your listening device speech to text will pop up. Then you can use Windows I key. As soon as you press Windows I key, the system menu pops up. The default system settings window will pop up and you can use it for that purpose. Windows K will allow you to open the sidebar, okay, and will allow you to connect with your casting device with your Google Chrome or any other casting device you are using. Windows L will lock your device and quickly won't sign out, but will take you to the password window as soon as you press Windows L key. Windows O will lock the orientation of your windows. Okay, so if you press Windows O, the orientation will be locked and you cannot now change it. Similarly, moving on, you have Windows P key that will enable the presentation view. If you have a multiple monitors connected, or you have something called multimedia projector connected, you can use Windows P key quickly to switch between what basically you want to view and what you don't want to view. Then you have something called Windows W key. So as soon as you press Windows W key, the workspace, this will pop up. So if you press W key again, the widgets menu will basically pop up and you can use it for that purpose only. You can use Windows plus and minus to zoom into a particular area and minus to zoom out as well. So if you are doing a lecture or online lecture or want to zoom in and you want to see something more close up, just use Windows plus and minus to zoom in and zoom out. Finally, if you zoom into it, it opens up the magnifier. Use Windows Escape to exit that magnifier. So these are 18 cool tips in terms of keyboard shortcuts that are very useful if you want to use them. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such kind of tutorials and tips. Thank you very much for watching.